Absolutely amazing experience. The whole team was efficient and very friendly. From posing us for pictures to making sure our lunch was ready by the time we got there to having a blast in the water. 10/10 Jiggly recommend if you're looking for a full snorkel trip. We had a fabulous time on this tour. Transport was super comfortable and the island was particularly beautiful. The staff were attentive and patient when getting people in for a great underwater shot. The drone photos and boat photos were fun to do, but I couldn't have fathomed how amazing the pics were. Received the link the same evening and we were absolutely amazed. Wonderful, good to go with. Only one thing, they want to finish the tour on time, so in deep sea they start saying shark is in the water and let's go on boat immediately. It was very scary and it was completely fake, so be aware and don't panic, because I panicked a lot. First of all, my two friends saw Nemo and we safely had fun filming with a drone and taking amazing underwater photos. We applied for a meal-inclusive plan, and it was really nice that Huangzium Cliff Temple was included. We visited the island 3 times. On the first island, we took videos and photos underwater with striped breams in a shallow area where you can see the water clearly. It was a place where even people who can't swim can have fun. We filmed families and individuals with a drone and received great videos. I recommend that you practice your poses. The second island is a place where you can see 2 Nemos, but since I can't swim, I got off the boat relying on a life jacket and struggled to get there, but it was 3 to 4 meters deep, so I was a little scared. I was scared because the seawater came into my nose. I met my friends and was relying on a tube to see Nemo. A nice place and lots of fun awaiting you on arrival. People are nice, food provided was super delicious, drooling face emoji, also they think of you, won't think of, very dedicatedly. Really well organized and worth every penny you spend. The organizers take care of everything and have really good attention to detail. Snorkeling was amazing. I haven't done such focused snorkeling in the middle of the ocean, viewing coral reefs etc. ever. It was my first experience, and since I knew swimming I was able to do it without life jacket too. And best package for all type of tourist. If don't know to swim, no worry. They take care of you and take the beautiful pics with unforgettable memories. Romantic face emoji. The guide and other staffs are so polite. Experience was amazing. 10/10. And the comfortable car pickup service was on time. The beach on Nemo Island was very fine and white, and the blue water was beautiful and clear. I liked it very much. The service staff guided us patiently, and we were able to free dive without fear and dive in to see the Nemo fish in the sea, although there were not many fish. But the overall experience was great. On the island in Pattaya, we only choose Nemo Island activities as the overall trip is definitely worth the money. The guide speaks Chinese, picks up people on time, and arranges the trip reasonably, especially taking photos with Nemo fish while diving. The experience is unforgettable. It can be said to be the best snorkeling experience in Thailand. The only thing to complain about is that the lunch is average,